For thousands of years, humanity has faced one unstoppable force: the ocean. But what happens when humans decide to fight back? Across the world, we have built enormous walls, barriers, and machines designed to hold back the sea. But the question remains: can humans really stop the ocean? The ocean has created civilizations, connected continents, and provided life. But throughout history, it has also destroyed cities and changed landscapes. Humanity's greatest engineering challenge is not building higher. It is surviving beside nature. Thousands of years ago, humans discovered that controlling water meant protecting civilization. Ancient Egyptians built irrigation systems. Mesopotamians created canals and embankments. These were the first attempts to reshape the relationship between humans and water. But the ocean could never truly be controlled. Storms continued to challenge generations. Perhaps nowhere represents humanity's struggle against the ocean better than the Netherlands.
Much of the country lies close to or below sea level.
In February 1953, the North Sea flood devastated the Netherlands.
More than 1,800 people lost their lives, and thousands of homes were destroyed.
After this disaster, the Dutch began one of the largest coastal engineering projects.
The Delta Works project began in 1958.
The Maaslandkering near Rotterdam became one of the world's largest movable storm surge barriers. Its two enormous steel gates can close during dangerous storms, protecting the Rotterdam region. Today, coastal defenses exist on almost every continent.
But each wall tells a different story. Japan has lived with earthquakes and tsunamis.
In March 2011, the Tohoku earthquake triggered one of the most destructive tsunamis. Nearly 20,000 people were killed or went missing.
After the disaster, Japan expanded and strengthened coastal defenses in many regions.
These walls were never designed to defeat the ocean completely.
They were designed to reduce destruction and give communities more time to survive.
In London, another giant structure protects one of the world's largest cities. The Thames Barrier became operational in 1982. It was designed to protect London from storm surges and extreme flooding.
When danger approaches, massive gates rotate into position, temporarily blocking the river. Behind every coastal wall are thousands of calculations.
Engineers must understand tides, waves, storms, erosion, and future sea level changes.
A wall is not simply concrete and steel. It is a prediction of nature.
The greatest misunderstanding about seawalls is that they stop the ocean.
They do not. They reduce the energy of waves and protect specific areas. But the ocean is constantly changing. Wave energy and storm surge represent challenges.
Coastal erosion and rising sea levels affect the integrity of our defenses.
thermal expansion of seawater and melting glaciers contribute to sea level rise.
According to climate research, global sea levels are rising because of warming oceans.
But the future is not simply a story of destruction.
It is a challenge requiring adaptation, science, and planning for the future.
For centuries, humans tried to build stronger walls. But scientists are discovering another approach. Sometimes the best protection is working with it. Restoring wetlands, protecting mangroves, and creating natural barriers help build resilience. The future of coastal protection may not be one giant wall. It may be a combination of engineering and respect for natural systems. The walls we build represent human creativity, courage, and determination.
But they also remind us of a powerful truth. Nature is not an enemy to defeat. It is a force we must understand. The battle between humanity and the sea is not ending. It is a story that will continue for generations.
The real question is not whether humans can stop the sea. The real question is, can we learn to live beside it? Continue exploring more incredible stories about humanity and nature in the next episode. Every tide tells a story of change, erosion, and constant renewal across our globe. Even in the smallest movements of sand, we witness the power of nature.
Rocky shores provide natural defenses that humans have long observed and imitated.
Life adapted to this rhythm, thriving in the spaces between land and sea. For centuries, lighthouses have been our primary defense against the unpredictability of the ocean.
It is a symbol of our attempt to navigate what we cannot control. Today, our lighthouses are digital, but the risk remains identical.
Data allows us to predict the path of a storm, but not stop it.
Preparation is the final wall we can build.
When the storm arrives, we rely on the infrastructure we've carefully crafted.
The strength of our walls is put to the test.
Every collision is a reminder of the power we are trying to manage. Engineering excellence has saved countless lives in these moments. But the work of restoration begins as soon as the wind subsides. Communities rebuild, learn, and improve their defenses for next time.
This cycle of challenge and adaptation is the essence of human history.
Perhaps we will eventually find a balance, not a wall.
A relationship defined by respect and understanding, not conflict. New solutions are emerging from every corner of our planet. The future is built on innovation and environmental stewardship.
And we are ready to take on that challenge together. Every action contributes to a more sustainable future for our coastlines. Nature has been protecting these lands for millennia. By restoring these ecosystems, we empower nature to defend us. These structures serve both our safety and the planet's health. Designing cities to live with water is the ultimate goal. We are learning to design with water, not against it. The horizon is full of possibilities. Our history with the sea is long, and our journey is just beginning.
A new generation of researchers is already finding new paths.
There is still so much to discover about our world. One planet, one ocean, and one shared future. We are ready to learn, to grow, and to protect. Together, we build a legacy of resilience. Step by step, we create harmony. The tide turns with us. The journey continues, one wave at a time. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. The stories of humanity and nature are forever linked. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep discovering. Join us for the next episode in our journey. There is always more to learn about our incredible home. Keep your wonder alive and explore the unknown.
From this vantage point, the Earth is a small, blue marble, rotating silently in the vastness of space.